Hey, let me show you unboxing of Xiaomi Watch S3. So first of all, let's quickly take a look for the box. On the left side, we can actually find the top features. We've got the up to 15-day battery life, professional skiing mode, Bluetooth on call, all-day heart rate monitoring, the dual band global navigation satellite system, and quick to change bezel. On the left side, there's some markings at the back, some base specification. So now let's go inside. We have to cut out this seals. There we go. Let's do this with another one. And now we can finally go inside. Okay, at the first we've got our device right here. There's nothing, so I'm gonna put it back. So let's grab the watch. It's actually covered with this foil where we can find some base information. Now let's take it off. And to turn it on, we have to probably click one of this button. Let's try with this one, with the right button. Okay, it looks like it's actually not working, so then try it with the next one. Okay, and now the device is turned on, and as you can see, it actually comes with the Hyper OS. So now let's check for the other things. At the bottom, we can actually find the sensor, so we have to also remove it. Here we go. Also right here, we can find pins for the charger. Right here we can find strap. It's actually nice feeling, but honestly, here I have the band, the Xiaomi Smart Band 8 Pro, and this one is actually really cheap, but this band feels much, maybe not much, but a little bit better. There's like better feeling when you touch it. This one is also not bad, but that's my personal opinion. So now let's go for the other accessories that we can find in the box. As you can see from here, we can find charger. The second end is actually the USB-A. And from here we can also find the user manual. And that's basically it. Now let's see what we can find when we select the language. And as you can see right now, we have to connect this watch with the Mi Fitness application. So that's basically it, the quick unboxing for this Xiaomi Watch S3. If you are looking for some other videos about this device, like for example how to pair it with iPhone or Android, or how to personalize, just open my channel, go into the search engine and simply input phrases that you are looking for. Right now, please subscribe.